Well, good morning or afternoon for some of you, I think. So let's chocolate orgasm together. Superfood shake, highly medicinal, highly flavorful, so good. Do you get sick of it? I don't know. I've been doing this for a long, long time, many years, and I look forward to it each and every day. And recently I started regularly recording myself making it each and every day. Hi, Anne. Nice to see you. Hopefully see you again on next year's cruise. Hi, Laura. So I've already got the chia seeds in there. Actually, I soaked them in water for a bit. And what's cool about chia seeds is when you soak them in water, they turn into a kind of a spongy pudding material. And it's really freaking good. By the way, with some avocados and some cacao nibs, you can make a really fine chocolate, vegan chocolate pudding out of that stuff too. Hi again, Laura. Good morning. So I've already got my chia seeds in here. And living by example, they're organic. Organic sounds like orgasm, doesn't it? It does, doesn't it? All right, I also love cayenne pepper powder for some heat. I like a lot of heat for a white boy. I really do. So this is optional. Some people don't like this. My parents don't like this, so when I make this for them, I keep this out. But I like a lot of it. I told you I can take a lot of heat for a white boy. A little bit more. Look how long that hair is. Absolutely. This is this wonderful nutrition that I put into my body every day. It grows so fast and so healthy and so strong. Healthy hair, skin, and nails. Healthy hair, skin, and nails is a symptom and a byproduct of what's going on with my healthy blood, my organs, all that stuff. It's from the inside out rather than just topical solutions. It makes a lot of sense. Hi, Diana. Diana, I sent you a private message. Check your messages, girl. Hi, Hope. All right, so I'm going to put some water in here now. In addition to the water-soaked chia seeds I've already got in here. I never really measure anything anymore, but I'm guessing I'm putting somewhere around 10 ounces of water in here, something like that. And the base of this chocolate orgasm superfood shake, hi, Joe, is going to be in powder form, about 70 some odd superfood anti-GMO ingredients, all broken down in a cold process into a powder form. So the enzymes are raw. It's raw living food. And I like the powder form because there's more flexibility there. I can make my superfood shake as weak or as strong as I want, thick or thin, whatever. Laura asks, ever use cashew or almond milk? Yes, I do. I love different nut milks. And I always get nut milk without any sugar. You got to look at the label as well as the ingredients. If you don't make your own, got to make sure it doesn't have any sugar in it. So 1 scoop of this wonderful powder. And for those of you that want to try this out, private message me. I'll send you the link so that you can try this wonderful chocolate orgasm awesomeness as well. Hi, Tracy. Hi, Aaron. Hi, Gail. Nutella is pretty good stuff too. I've tried that a couple times, Gail. I enjoy that also. Now for this one, because I did a really intense workout not that long ago, actually, probably within an hour ago, I would say. I haven't washed my hair yet. So I'm going to take this banana. Typically I do a green banana. This one is it's between green and yellow. The reason why I typically eat green bananas is because they're starch resistant. Hyra, Dana. And starch resistant, if you don't eat like a diabetic, you're going to become one. My friend Goldie said that. It stuck with me. If you don't eat like a diabetic, you're going to become one. So green bananas are starch resistant. And if you want to learn more about starch-resistant foods, I highly recommend you do. Go to my website, tombirkenmeyer.com, just like it's spelled here in social media, tombirkenmeyer.com, and do a search in the little search field on the right column for starch-resistant foods or starch resistance, or one of those search terms, starch-resistant. Yeah, and you'll see a few things about it, and it'll open up a beautiful new doorway for you. Believe me, it will. Hey, Jana. Aaron, hi. Does a lot of palm oil and sugar. That scares me. Yeah, I haven't looked at Nutella in a long time, and I know I'm always learning, so I've learned some new things since the last time I looked at Nutella. So I'll be interested in looking at that again, Aaron. And if I see those things in it, I probably not use it anymore. So I like to stay away from things that have sugar, oil, and salt. Those are the 3 things. Replace oil, sugar, and salt with herbs and spices. That is a game changer, man. It's opposite. Hi, Andy. Nice to see you. So now that I told you about my banana, the reason I didn't use a green one, the starch-resistant one, and more of a yellow one, but not too yellow, is because I just did an intense workout. It ended probably less than an hour ago, so my body is still primed and ready to accept probably foods that are more glycemic heavy, a higher glycemic load, like a banana, but still no added sugar. But banana is a whole food sugar source, but it's still a very condensed form of sugar. So that's why I typically don't do the yellow bananas, but the green ones. Okay, what else am I going to add here? I'm going to do 1 drop of cinnamon bark oil because it's got 500 times the concentration of regular cinnamon. 500, which means that you cannot put this directly into your mouth. You will burn your taste buds. And if you were to drink one of these whole, just this little thing, you'll die. So just 1 drop in a shake or a smoothie. And the main medicinal benefit of good cinnamon bark oil is it's a superfood for the pancreas. It nourishes the pancreas and restores functionality to the pancreas. Pancreas is known as the multitasking organ. The one it's mostly known for is regulating blood sugar levels and how your body metabolizes glucose, which changes as we get older. So as we get older, you have to eat like a diabetic or you will become one, as my friend Goldie says. Hi, Antonina. Antonina, that sounds like it's probably a really cool name if I could pronounce it right. All right. By the way, I'll provide a link in the description area once this is all done to the stuff that I'm using, because some cinnamon bark oils are not as good as others by a long shot, and it's important that you know that. All right, so the next thing I'm going to add are some frozen berries. My triple berry blend. Ah, cool, you said hi back to me, Antonina. Not everyone says hi back. I say hi and they don't say hi back, so I'm glad you did. Hi, Wendy. And did I pronounce your name correctly, Antonina? Or is it Antonina? I like Antonina better. Okay, so this is a triple berry blend, blackberries, blueberries, and raspberries. Raspberries is the superfood for the skin, baby. But it's the seeds in the raspberries that has most of that. And the only way to break down the seeds and extract the essential oils from the seeds is with a really high power blender. And it's either going to be a Vitamix or a Blendtec. Those are $500, $600, $700 blenders. Or I have another blender that I use that's a little less than $100 that does the same thing, gets all those extractions out, and then you get this amazing superfood for the skin. I'll include a link to that blender as well in the description. See, somebody says, yes, I did pronounce your name correctly. Cool, Antonina. Thank you for making an effort. Absolutely, girl. Erin, Antonia, I think. Yep, you got that. Someone typing it out. Joy, hi, Joy. Erin, no, Erin, I think you're probably correct. All right, moving right along. Am I going to add anything else to this? I don't think I'm going to do any greens this time around because there's... Oh yeah, one more thing I'm going to add. This is new. Check this out. This is pretty new. I started sprouting stuff just a few days ago. So I'm experimenting with sprouting things. This is the first thing I sprouted. These are mung beans. I'm going to do a series of videos very soon on how to sprout different nuts, seeds, grains, beans, and whatnot. So I got these wonderful mung beans that are sprouted. It's so easy. And there's a lot of health benefits. Very powerful medicinal energy with sprouted foods. And you can even... You can sprinkle them on salads, you can eat them straight, put them in your smoothies and whatever. And right now I got a few other things sprouting. I've got quinoa and buckwheat sprouting. I just started those yesterday. So far those are the fastest sprouters. They're already growing tails and I just started sprouting them last night. So very soon I'm going to be doing some videos about that, and I'm going to be teaching you about all the health benefits that I'm learning from these things. For those of you with digestion problems, this is especially going to be beneficial towards you, or maybe you know people with GI problems. See the comments. Hi, Cheryl. Thanks, Wendy. I love this shirt too. I got quite a few shirts with Marilyn Monroe's face on them. I love them. Hi, Mary. Rodina, it looks good. It is good. Not moonbeans, moong. M-O-O-N-G, I think it's spelled. They're similar to split peas, but they're called moong beans. Acid reflux bad. Well, Wendy, this might help you with acid reflux. Speaking of acid reflux, the superfood shake. I've had plenty of people buy the superfood shake from me with acid reflux problems, and they tell me that they're feeling much better. And so that's apparently the superfood shake has helped them a lot with acid reflux. But the sprouted food is also going to help a lot too. Hi, Tammy. All right, so now I've got everything in here that I really wanted to add. Got Maryland's shirt too. Cool, Joy. Let's blend this baby up. See, it's a song and dance. I don't know about the song, but I entertain you. You get a little dance out of me every morning when I do this, because when it's blending, I get bored easy, so I got to find something to do with myself. So when it's blending, I do a little dance for you. So you get a full show with me, baby. You get a full show right here. Good morning, bright blessings to you. Bright blessings to you, Mary. Thank you very much. Hey, Boo. Hey, Andy. You're welcome, Wendy. Get it, Tom. So did y'all like that little dance I just did? Was it okay? Somebody comment on the dance that I did. I want to know it was okay. Cheered up your day? That's pretty awesome, Wendy. I'm so silly. Thanks, Andy. I know when to be silly and when not to be. Are your shakes lactose free? Yes, these are vegan, which means there's no lactose, no milk, no dairy at all, no meat, no byproduct of meat. It's 100% plant-based, anti-GMO, pro-organic, no soy, no soy. I will start dancing with blending or juicing as well. What a great idea. It was good, Antonina. That's awesome. I got to do a video with one of you out there who likes to dance, and then when we're doing a video like this together and we get to the dance part, I got someone to dance with. It makes the video more fun. So let's taste this. Let's see if my eyes roll to the back of my head in a foodgasm, right? Let's find out. We already know that's going to be the case, but let's have fun with it anyway. Oh my God. Every morning. What a way to start out the day. The chocolate orgasm. One that's so good for you. Oh my God. And then you get to look forward to it the next day too. Actually, I look forward to it this evening because I actually have 2 of these a day. They're so damn good. And it also goes a long ways towards my health, and my recovery from my workouts, and my energy that I feel every day, and the sleep I get at night, and the fact I've not been really sick in well over 10 years now. Goes a long way towards all of that. So if you guys want to see what I've been drinking and selling, full disclosure, right? Full disclosure, drinking and selling for many, many, many years, over 10 years, just private message me and I'll send you the direct link and you can check it out, try it out, see if you like it. I think you probably will. I've had almost 0 returns in over 10 years on this stuff. Almost 0. There's that 1 or 2 spoilers and that's fine. But odds are, if you try, you'll probably love it too. That's about it. I guess on one last note, if any of you are turned on by the idea of adding health and wellness and fitness to people's lives and making residual money doing that, like I've been doing for over 10 years and I haven't needed a job in 8 years now or something like that, then ask me about that. I'll show you what I've been doing. You can see if it would be the right fit for you to do with me and with our team. I'm currently in the hospital. The food is horrible. suggestions. You know, whenever I would take my parents to the hospital, I always brought with them a bag of this superfood shake. And I know that you don't have it now, so that doesn't really help you much. But gosh, I don't know if there's no good options there in the hospital. I really don't know. And I haven't been in a hospital since I've been on this lifestyle, so that was been well over 10 years ago. I don't know how I would respond if I was at some hospital and I had to go. I don't know. I don't really have a good answer there. I don't know. I guess the best answer is to just live a super healthy lifestyle by working out every day, sleeping great every night, no stress during the day or night, eating great food, giving love, receiving love, so that you're just less likely to ever need a hospital or need medications and stuff like that. What's that philosophy? An ounce of, I'm going to mess this up or get it backwards, but an ounce of prevention is worth a pound of cure. Yeah, there it is. An ounce of prevention is worth a pound of cure. So you guys understand what that means. But once you're already in the hospital, gosh, I don't know. I really don't know. I don't know what I would do in that situation, other than I would at least have my bag of superfood shakes with me. And there has never been a hospital that I've ever, been to that is against that. They've always let my parents have their superfood shake. They just look at it to make sure that it's not going to interfere with their medications. And so far, it's always been the case that it doesn't. So the doctor's like, yeah, that's fine. So you could, if you want to, ask me for a link in the private message to a bag of this. You can check it out, see if it would be a good fit for you while you're in the hospital. And when you're out of the hospital, too, for that matter. It's good to see a bright and shiny, happy face. Have a great day. You too, Wendy. Hi, Melaine. It's nice to see you. Thanks, Super Tom. You're welcome, Super Hope. Thank you, Tom. You're the bomb. Thanks, Radina. Bringing your own shake, own foods work too. Yep. Yeah, that's pretty much what I was explaining. So, like, whenever my parents had to go to the hospital for whatever reason, I would bring a blender bottle, like this, and it's got one of these little mesh things in the bottom. So I could put, the liquid, the water, whatever, the nut milk, and the shake mix, and then shake it like this, and that little mesh thing would make it all smooth and stuff. So I, not only hospital visits, but I travel like that too. I travel pretty regularly. And so I will, every time I go somewhere on a trip, I take a blender bottle and I take my bag of my superfood shake here. It travels through airports just fine. You can check it. You can bring it as carry-on. I always bring it as carry-on because it's too valuable to put it in checked luggage. So I carry that with me in a backpack. And it goes through airports just fine. It really does. You have a great day too, Antonina. So glad you were here. I'm glad I got your name pronounced correctly too. Want the link. Okay, Joy, make sure you private message me. Otherwise, I'm not going to remember. So just private message me for the link that you want and I'm happy to send it to you. Will do, Mary says. Cool. That thing is cool. Yes, it is. Alright, so I'm going to get going with my day, everyone. Thanks for being part of my morning, and I'm glad I got to be part of your morning. Hi, Tracy. I'm just ending this now. So, private message me, y'all, that are interested in anything I've offered in this video to show you or send you. And I will update the description of this video with links to some of the stuff I used. Except for the superfood shake. Private message me for that one. And one other thing, I can't remember what it was, but this will be on my timeline as soon as I click finish for those of you that just joined and you missed it. So you can watch the video and you can still leave your comments. I'll come back and check later today and interact with those of you that want to engage with me. So make it a beautiful day, everybody. And make out kisses, and more make out kisses, and many more make out kisses. Bye, everybody. I'll talk to you later.